Hello traders, welcome to my channel AM Trading Tips. Today, I'm sharing a super simple and highly accurate MT4 indicator that gives auto live buy and sell signals for binary trading. But that's not all. I'll also show you a complete strategy to trade on these signals with real-time trade examples. So make sure you watch till the end without skipping. Let's dive in. For today's session, I'll use the XM MT4 Platform to get indicator live buy and sell signals, and the Pocket Option Trading Platform to place trades. If you're interested in trying these platforms, you can find the links in the video description. Risk warning: trading binary options involves financial risk, and you could lose money. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Always trade responsibly and only invest what you can afford to lose. Now let's understand how to use this indicator, auto live signals, effectively. The indicator provides auto buy and sell signals on 1-minute and 5-minute timeframes. It also shows buyer and seller power in percentage. Follow these steps for the best accuracy. For buy trades, the indicator must show buy signals on both 1-minute and 5-minute charts. Buyer power should be 85% or above. The price should be at a support level before entering a trade. For sell trades, the indicator must show sell signals on both 1-minute and 5-minute charts. Seller power should be 85% or above. The price should be at a resistance level before entering a trade. Always trade in the direction of the trend and avoid trades that go against it. The candle time frame will be of 1 minute and the trade expiry will be of 5 minutes. For the best results, trade during the European and US sessions. Avoid trading during major news events to reduce risk. If anything else is needed, I'll explain it while taking live trades. Now that we know the rules, let's dive into live trading to see how the binary auto live buy and sell signals MT4 indicator performs in real time. Watch closely and take notes so you can use these strategies effectively in your own trades. If you're excited to try this indicator, I am given download link in below video description. Important reminder: before using this indicator on a real account, test it on a demo account first. Use it on a real account only when you're fully confident in how it works. If you're ready to see this indicator in action, let's move to the live trading examples. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tools like this. Alright traders, the indicator has already given a buy arrow signal. Right now, we have buy signals on both the 1-minute and 5-minute timeframes. Buyer power is at 100%, which means strong momentum for a buy trade. The price is in an uptrend and has just broken the resistance level. Since all these signals align, this is a strong buy setup. Now that we've placed the trade, let's wait for the result. While we do, let me remind you of a few key points. Always trade with the trend. Never go against the market direction. Use proper risk management. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Be patient. Let the trade play out without emotional decisions. We have won this trade. This is exactly why following the right confirmations and sticking to the strategy is so important. A well-planned trade increases our chances of success. Now, let's move ahead and find another perfect trade setup. Alright traders, the indicator has already given a sell arrow signal, and now we have confirmed sell signals on both the 1-minute and 5-minute timeframes, with 99% and 100% seller power. The price is currently in a downtrend. It has just broken the support level, signaling further downside potential. However, there's one concern. The price is still close to the support level, and the downtrend is not that strong. This means we need to be extra cautious and monitor the trade carefully. Before rushing into any trade, always ask, is the market showing enough strength in the trend? Is there enough room for price movement after the breakout? Are all confirmations aligning perfectly? In this case, we have strong sell signals, but the market may not have enough momentum yet, so we need to wait and observe how the trade plays out. Alright traders, we lost this trade, but remember, losses are a part of trading, and no strategy can guarantee a 100% win rate. What matters is that we stick to the rules, analyze our mistakes, and improve our decision-making. So let's shake it off and find another perfect trade setup. All right, traders, we have another strong buy setup. Here's why this setup looks good. The indicator has already given a buy arrow signal. We now have buy signals on both the 1-minute and 5-minute time frames with 85% and 95% buy power. A strong confirmation. The price is in a solid uptrend, showing strong bullish momentum. There is a resistance level nearby, but it's weak, meaning it's unlikely to stop this uptrend. With all these confirmations in place, we are taking a buy trade. Now, let's wait and see how this trade plays out. Stay tuned. We have won this trade. That's a great way to wrap up today's session. This shows the power of following the right strategy and being patient for the best trade setups. I hope this video has been helpful and informative for you. If you have any questions or need clarification, drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help and answer your queries. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like this video. It really helps support the channel. Subscribe so you don't miss future trading strategies. Turn on the notification bell to stay updated with my latest content. Your support means a lot and helps me bring you even better trading insights. Also, share this video with your trading community so we can all grow and learn together. Remember, success in trading comes from knowledge, discipline, and the right mindset. The power to succeed is in your hands. Stay focused and keep improving every day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's keep moving forward.